Hey there everybody, Nico here and welcome to the Trading Setup channel. Are you tired of counting every penny and waiting for life to start happening? You lower your head because you realize all your time is slipping away into other people's tasks and in return, just promises of promotion and a new pile of duties. Stop pretending everything's fine. The pain is draining your energy and the fear of change keeps you chained. If you're ready to stop complaining and see exactly where things are falling apart, watch this video until the end. I won't sugarcoat things here. I'll show you 3 mistakes that keep you trapped and how to deal with them. The first mistake is putting other people's comfort above your own potential. You live by somebody else's scale. You show up to work, pretend to be engaged, and in the evening, you're just glad to have survived another day. That's not stability. That's slavery to habit. You're afraid to say no, afraid to change roles, afraid to spend time on your own growth because, well, you've got a job. But as long as you give everyone around you priority over your own plans, you confirm their control over your life. The way out is simple but painful. Start investing time in your own skills, even if it's just an hour a day. Start testing small projects on the side. Then, one project grows and start replacing part of your schedule. No one guarantees it'll be easy, but it's the path out of a life where others make decisions for you. Before we continue, I have a resource I created for those tired of constant subordination who want to take action on their own. It contains real stories of people who stopped being dependent on fixed schedules and started building income through independent projects and services. Some participants reach a point where the monthly salary stops being a measure of success. Some earn that much in just one good day. You want to see for yourself? Links in the description. Now let's carry on. The second mistake is waiting for perfect conditions and not starting because you're afraid to make mistakes. You spend months planning and setting things up, searching for the perfect info, comparing options, and end up doing nothing. The fear of making mistakes disguises itself as preparation, but in reality, it's procrastination dressed as self-justification. Mistakes are inevitable, and it's through them that you learn lessons no course can teach. Real progress doesn't look like perfect first steps, but like a series of small tests. Do, analyze, adjust, repeat. Start small. Pick one skill. Try it in a real task. Get feedback, improve. The cycle is the engine of growth, and the sooner you start it, the faster you'll escape the state of endless preparation. The third mistake is looking for a hero who will fix everything for you. Subconsciously, many people sit and wait for a Superman, a mentor, a partner, a magic method. But when the hero doesn't show up, disappointment hits and you go back to your old limits. That's the illusion of external initiation. No one will come and create your life strategy for you. The reality is very different. People who stopped depending on their bosses took responsibility into their own hands. They built their own plan, test hypotheses, and adjust their path. And yes, sometimes they need support, but the key factor in success is their own discipline and willingness to act like the entrepreneur of their own destiny. If you want change, learn to build a mindful environment around you and don't shift key decisions onto someone else. Think, which of these mistakes are you already repeating? How much longer are you willing to wait before you start acting? The answer will honestly tell you where to go next. If you're truly ready to stop running in circles and want to master the most effective type of freelancing that gives freedom in time and scale, I have a private community. Not everyone gets in. I personally select participants because it's important that the group includes people ready to act and not just watch. Inside, we provide support at the start and go through sustainable practice steps, real cases, and breakdowns. And here are the results of those who decided to change their lives. If you're interested in moving from I need to I'm doing it, message me personally. The link and contact is in the description under this video. Spots are limited, and I occasionally close enrollment to maintain a productive atmosphere. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Here you'll find practical breakdowns and step-by-step guides that truly help rebuild your life. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and let's move forward and change together. Take action, don't wait. And remember, freedom starts with a small step when you're ready to take right now.